Next to the things that we know well to build, frankly, the world's most desirable cars, there are two technological trends that we're doubling down on: electrification and digitization. So we're pouring billions into these new technologies. Of course, they will drive our path towards CO2-free driving. And on the other side, on the digital side, with over-the-air capability, it will open up a new revenue and a profit pool for us. So we're well underway of capturing these new things. But this decade is going to be transformative. This is where it's all going to happen. And we intend to pick up pace and make the gradient for Mercedes to go into that new world even steeper.
So in other words, it takes a little bit more time until we also see that transformation in profitability terms?
If you look at our numbers for the third quarter, in a very difficult pandemic year, we were able to already, during 2020, produce some very robust cash flows. So we have efficiency efforts going alongside with investing on a very high level into these new technologies. So it's clearly our goal to do both. Increase our efforts on efficiency, but at the same time invest into new technologies. So we have to do this transformation in a profitable manner. We have to go through this transformation in a profitable manner and, in a way, be our own venture capitalist. So we're producing the cash flows that fuel the investments for the future.
Daimler is such a big company. I don't want to call it a tanker, but it's big. So it's very tough to restructure it so dramatically like you are planning it to do. So how are you getting the trade unions on board and also employees who might not like this change?
It starts with a mindset shift. You really have to flick the switch here and say, where are we going? Are we going into CO2 neutral future? Are we going into using digitization as an opportunity for our business? Once you have made that decision, and we made that decision several years ago, it's all about the execution. If you're a big organization, in our case with about 300,000 people around the world, we're operating in more than 190 countries, we're literally everywhere, to rebuild that footprint, especially on the powertrain side, going from combustion-based technologies to electric technologies. That's a lot of work. But the strategy has been set, and this is also supported by the labor side. Everybody wants to work in a successful organization looking into the future, whether you're on the shareholder side or on the labor side of this equation. And then in execution, of course, there are decisions that are going to be tough going along there, and we negotiate them also with the people on the labor side.